episode 3 of the teardown, episode 4 of the series. Now it's time to stop getting confused with that. No more of that. This is episode 4. So I ended up just playing around with this screwdriver to get this off instead of waiting for the pulley. So this is actually the same day I filmed the last video. I know I'm releasing it days later, but I don't have content for every single day. So that's off, so let's just keep plugging away. So now you just come closer. So now what we're going to do is take off the PCV system right here. It's 4 bolts, I believe, they're 10s. And then we're going to take off the front timing cover. There's a couple bolts on the oil pan for that. After we do that, we're going to take the whole timing assembly off, flip this engine over and take the fucking pistons out. So let's... Okay, so I got a 10 mil on the DeWalt impact. I don't like the DeWalt. Actually, you know what? I'm going to switch on over to the Milwaukee right motherfucking now. So, not even sure if this has to come off, but we're taking it off anyway. Oh yeah. Grab a bag. PCV. Now I know there was an O-ring on there, but we're probably just gonna use some gasket maker when we put that back together. So now we're gonna make a bag for the lower timing cover. Grab our oil pan bag. These are oil pans here. And we're gonna take all these bolts off. I think they're 12s and these bottom ones are 10s, so let's get to it. Okay, so I already took the 2 bolts out of the oil pan there. They were just 2 10 mils, obviously. Well, not obviously, but if you didn't know, now you know. There's 3 10 mils in the bottom here. The rest are 12s. So we're gonna go ahead and pop those out quick. Looks like we got all the bolts off, so we're gonna grab our little pry bar. And we're just gonna start looking for a spot to get him off. Okay guys, I just had a total brain fart moment. Oil pumps attached to everything under there. I need to flip this engine over, so I don't know why that slipped me, but it did, so I'm gonna get Heather to come help me here and we're gonna give this thing a rotate and watch all the oil spill out. Go from there. Okay, so now we can proceed with taking this front timing cover off. So, let's take this bolt back out. See? Look at that. Like nothing. So now we're gonna remove her lower timing. So for the cradle bolts, you gotta loosen them in 3 sequences. I already did the first one, so let's keep moving. So when lifting this out, be very gentle and very careful. You do not want to fuck this up. So the final thing we do in this episode is remove these oil squirters. And that's a torn down block. Insane. You told me I'd be doing this in the kitchen, I would have called you a liar. So I'm just going to pop those out off camera. So this is where I'm going to end this episode. Going to pop these bad dads out. That's it, that's all. That's all she wrote. I'll see you in the next episode. It'll be funner. It involves fire.